The lying prosecutor and how she tries, you notice just before the judge comes back, she tries to pull John out for a quiet little chat. She did not like it when I walked out after him. She was thinking, oh, I can get him away from his Mackenzie friend for 5 seconds, I can get him to admit something. No.
Because I've been doing it and I was, and I've been doing a lot of good community stuff like I've got little on my yard, he's done up for 40 reways and we're teaching them.
Let me just have a quick look and see if there's something I can quickly sort out for you. Good applications to Ms Tuavali's statements. How did the police respond to that?
I do apologise to you. I haven't taken the opportunity to be able to go through it properly. I definitely understand where Mr. Murphy is coming from, because we'd like an opportunity to speak with Mr. Murphy and resolve matters, sir. I do apologise that hasn't happened today. As I said, sir, I only spoke on Friday and we haven't had the opportunity to review that.
We'll do that on the break. The chat to him at 11:30.
Yes.
Mr. Murphy, take a seat at the back. I get the sense that we can probably sort this out for you one way or the other today. Ms Tuavali Staples is our police prosecutor. She's still got a few more cases to call in front of me this morning. We're due to take a break at 11:30. We might have the opportunity to stop early depending on whether we get through all of our cases before then. As soon as she comes free, she'll come and have a chat to you. I can see that you've got rid of the CCTV footage based on what the police have told you. You've got a pretty good case. Right, so, but first of all, have a chat to Ms Tuavali Staples and we'll see what we can sort out for you. All right.
It's not the first time you've been through this, have you? Right, so in terms of just a quick look at your that Detective Constable Coleman had provided to you.
Yes.
So you accept your offending behaviour on the day, did you?
No.
No, that's why he charged you. He gave you a warning, but you failed to accept your offending on the day. That's why you laid the charge.
But I did say to him at the time that because I followed law, and Paul Davidson, local judge, had written an article which was in the Herald a few days before to say that he can't do things. But I didn't want to be smart and cheeky. I've got a business to run, and I've had
Right, that's right.
conflicts with police in the past.
Well,
I've been trying to make amends. So.
The police chose to issue that warning on the day. It was only after the fact they chose to realise, oh, he didn't accept responsibility. He didn't say he'd actually done any assault, so we can't give him a warning because he hadn't accepted responsibility. They tried the summons first for obstruction because of Matthew or whoever the boss of the Ministry of Justice, the boss of the bailiff.
It's because
pushes
we're not complying with the bailiff's orders. That's why the police came to assist. That aside, anyway, let's just get through it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to remain neutral on your
Yep.
section 147 and leave for the judge. How's that?
Can't play. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to remain neutral on your
Yep.
section 147 and leave for the judge. How's that?
Can't play.
Tell me.
Oh, I'm going to get it, can I even get a not totally
Go
rude.
get a water. Water something.
Yeah, try to get a watch for the I'm trying to get one of them, maybe get it.
Oh, I'll give you one.
On the phone.
Just break out the plate.
Are we going back in now? Shall we?
Are you willing to apologise to the bailiff?
I did not, at the day, right, when it was going down, there was,
So you did apologise?
There was a misunderstanding,
Okay.
right, and he tripped over the thing on the way out, and he really, I've dealt with bailiffs for years.
Yes, you have.
I'm not a thug, you know, and I've only, because I run businesses, okay, and I work 7 days a week, and of course these instances are going to occur more.
And you've already paid your fine?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the
That's
fine
okay.
thing was sorted on the day, but he'd only apologise if he actually did something wrong, and he didn't assault him, so what's the point of
thing was,
apologising?
I'd asked him to call his boss to define the difference between gun and fire okay. He was trying to take, anyway, it's all the way for David's.
Yes,
But
it
I did
is.
say to him, no hard feelings, in front of Scott Coleman and the other policeman.
Okay, well, you just make that known to the
Then he
judge.
started yelling at me again.
Well, let us hope it's trying to get this.
Amicable at the end of the day.
Thanks, everyone.
We're calling the matter of John Murphy, 1411. Yes, sir. Thank you for providing the opportunity to speak with Mr. Murphy.
Yes.
We've gone through the charge itself and why it was laid. He accepts that an altercation did occur on that day. He accepts that an altercation did occur on that day. He accepts that an altercation did occur on that day. A warning was provided to you, and please seek to withdraw the charge pursuant to section 1. That's it.
Very good. The charge is withdrawn. You don't have to worry about it any further, Mr. Murphy. You're free to go. My compliments to you and to your McKinsey Free for a job well done.